Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at OpenFX effects, and on selected events, we're going to look at each OpenFX effect, and if it is an OpenFX effect, we're going to go through and change all of the animation parameters to true. So we will check to see if the parameter is animatable. If it is, then we will set the can animate equal to true. So let's see how we do that. Once again, we're starting with our main script. Here's all of our usings and our classes and our Vegas variable. We set my Vegas equal to Vegas. Then for each track, my track in my Vegas.project.tracks, if it is a video track, then I'm going to look at for each video event, the event in my track.events. If that event is selected, now I want to go through every effect in that video event. So for each effect, EFF in video event.effects, if the effect is an OFX effect, then I'm going to get the OFX effect, which I called OEFF, and then that will be the effect.OEF effect. Then for each OFX parameter, which I just called OPARM, in OEFF.parameters, if the parameter can animate, then I'm going to set is animated for that parameter equal to true. So let's see how that works. Here I have a clip on the timeline, and I have a Color Fixer Pro effect on the timeline, and each of these options here are turned off by default. So when you click on them, they all turn on and turn red. So what I want to do now is have the script automatically turn every one of those on for us. So let's close this, run the script. Now we'll open this up again, and you will see every one of them are now red, and all of the parameters are now listed down here so that we can animate them. So that's how we can get a script to turn on animation for all OpenFX effects that are on selected events. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see in a new tutorial, let me know. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.